Good morning, everybody. What's up? Mike the CPA here, and today I have a financial news update for you I want to share with you. This one is about free health insurance. Now, at any time during 2021, if you received or qualified for unemployment compensation, you were unemployed, then you may qualify to get free health insurance from July all the way through the end of this year through HealthCare.gov, and that's what we're going to talk about in today's video. Because you're getting free health insurance from the government, you're probably thinking, it's probably the worst plan out there. It's probably the very bottom of the barrel, but actually you'll find that it's not. If you think about Obamacare, it had the different tiers, bronze, silver, and I believe gold. Well, you're actually going to get the silver plan, which is not the high end, but it's also not the low end. And according to today's premium value on that, you're essentially getting over $400 a month on average free in terms of health insurance premiums, which is $0 to you. And I hate articles that put headlines like this. Let's not sugarcoat it. Let's call it for what it is. When it says free, it means from the taxpayer. You know that, and I know that. As we're going through this information, down in the comments, let me know what you think about this. You like the idea of people getting free insurance premiums? Some people, as you can imagine, are pretty pissed about this. Like, why do people who aren't working get this benefit? While others are like, this is great for people who aren't working because they need the health insurance coverage in case something catastrophic happens to them. Let me know what you think down below. Now, if you're brand new to this channel, my name is Mike the CPA. Take a moment right now to subscribe to the channel by hitting that red subscribe button down below. This is going to keep you up to date on financial news topics such as this one, taxes, and investing. Hit the like button to support my work. Thank you very much, and let's go. From the statistics I found online, this would apply to over 11 million people in 2021, and possibly more. Now, aside from having been a recipient of unemployment compensation in 2021, in order to qualify for this, it assumes that you still do not have health insurance coverage of any kind. If, since being on unemployment, you have gotten a job and have insurance coverage through your new employer, then you would not be able to qualify for this additional coverage. Now, here's what's interesting about this. This is what I find rather unique. When we look at all the other stimulus people received last year and even at the start of this year, your income was taken into consideration. But your income here, it's not going to be a factor. So it doesn't matter how much money you're making now, as far as I understand. As long as you received unemployment at some point during this year, you can qualify for $0 premiums on the silver plan. Okay, so the coverage is free to you through the end of 2021. Now, what happens if you want to keep it as we go into 2022? If you keep this plan into 2022, what's going to happen is, well, first of all, it's no longer going to be free at that point. But because of the American Rescue Plan that was enacted back in March, there's some benefits still to you in 2022. And the benefit is you can get that coverage at a reduced premium rate. Now, if you're seeking out that reduced rate, then you're gonna find more information on that on HealthCare.gov. But from my understanding, the new enrollees to the HealthCare.gov type of plans will not pay more than 8% of their total income in insurance premiums. To further clarify, in 2021, your income is not taken into consideration at all. But in 2022, if you keep the plan and want the discounted rates, your income would be taken into consideration. So in order to take advantage of this, if this is something you want to do, I would recommend jump on this right now, guys. Just get with it because your open enrollment is starting in July. Right now, it's open, and the open enrollment will end August 15th, to my understanding, unless they extend it, which I don't know if they will. But so go to healthcare.gov, and you got to shop for one of their free plans and get signed up. And then I think it will walk you through the steps, or you can maybe contact an agent to help you get everything straightened out. And that way you can sign up for that zero premium healthcare coverage. I really think this is a massive benefit to anybody who is currently unemployed or who has been unemployed. And it's not just because it's $400 to $450 a month. I mean, that's a sizable amount that you're getting for free, but really it's the health insurance is not having good medical coverage, or any medical coverage, is often the largest causation of bankruptcy. If something happens to you while you're unemployed or sick and you have no coverage, I mean, it can completely bankrupt your family. And the money's there. The government's saying, go ahead and grab it. So go ahead and take it. I mean, why wouldn't you? I don't know why anybody wouldn't do this. And if you don't want to keep it into 2022, just cancel it at the end of this year. and that at least you'll be covered for the remainder of 2021. All right, guys, I'm going to end the video right here. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. I'm going to see you down in the comments. I'll see what you have to say about all this. Have a wonderful week. Make sure you subscribe before you leave, and I will see you in next week's video. Take care of yourself, everybody. Peace.